Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm jamming off on this song, Davido and Omah Lay. Oh my, they do with you. Alright, a great song, uplifting, and we have this melody going on, and it's based upon 4 chords that will be rolling through the entire song in the same way. We have the A minor, E minor, F, and G. Only if you put the capo on the 4th, and that's what we're gonna do. So put that on there, and let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with A minor first. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the E minor, and it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F next. It's a bar chord where we place the index finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And finally we have the G. And that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Alright, so let's start with the melody, and we're gonna go chord by chord. Like I said, it is this order: A minor, E minor, F, and G through the entire song. So A minor first, like this. Okay, so you're gonna play open A, then first B, and if you can, hit a kick there, and then finish off with 2nd G. And if you don't have time or not comfortable yet with it, then just let the kick or clap go there and just play the notes if you want to. Okay, so that's how you handle the A minor. And for all of these chords or these melody parts, I suggest you hold the chord as it is, except from the F chord. We're going to come to that soon, or even the G actually. But yeah, it's good to have the chords prepared to be able to strumming because we have a certain tempo here in this song. So you don't have to think about 2 different things. You just have a chord prepared for melody, either that or the strumming. Anyway, enough of that. Let's go on with this E minor chord. You're gonna play. So that goes open E in the bass, and then open G, then comes the clap, and open G again. Then comes the F chord, and here I suggest to hold like this. You don't have to have the full bar. You can just have this 1st fret E string there with index finger. Okay, I think that is a little bit easier than having the full bar there. In my opinion, if you can, then go with the bar. Otherwise, do as I do, just hold that on the E string. Okay, so you're gonna play. So that is 1st fret E string, then 2nd G, and clap, and 3rd D. And finally to the G chord. Here you just have to hold the 3rd fret E string in the bass, okay? And you're gonna play. So that is 3rd fret E string, then open B, then clap, and open B. And you finished 1 round of the melody. So let's go through that slowly, 1 round, and then speed up in tempo. Sounds cool, huh? That is the melody. Now we can just go into some plain strumming, and we have a 2-part strumming here. So we're gonna look into the first transition there from A minor to E minor. So different parts. A minor part 1 goes like this. Okay, so it's 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Slowly. Okay, and then over to E minor, you play down, up, clap, up. Without any pauses, just straightforward down, up, clap, up. So if we combine these 2 parts, A minor to E minor, it goes like this slowly. Okay, so then you're gonna continue in the same way with the F to G. So F is playing the same way as A minor, down, up, clap, down, and then G, down, up, clap, up. And if you put all together here, A minor, E minor, F, G, it goes like this for one round. And in tempo. And there you have it, my friends. It doesn't have to be harder than that. Davido and Omah Lay's With You. And I absolutely enjoy doing this with you guys. I'm sitting here alone with a guitar, try to educate you and give you your song. So yeah, I really appreciate your support. If you watch this, then just hit me a thumb up if you like this tutorial. And if you want to have your song, maybe you know we have Wish Wednesdays. I bring back songs to you. You wish for them in the comments, and I bring them on you for Wednesdays. Anyway, interact with me. I love that. So hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.